interview, we did discuss C labels and the fact that the standards are available to drone manufacturers. And I said, okay, it's time to put the pressure back on DJI then. And after some reflection on that, I felt, okay, there's some more questions that need to be asked from that point of view. So we did ask, how does a drone manufacturer get their products cleared to have a C label? Because of course, just the fact that the standards are there and the drone makers here that's able to make a drone to that, we need to bring the two together. And what's in the middle is a standards agency that says, okay, this is how you get, these are the tests you have to go through. This is who has to oversee those tests to be able to say C1, C2, C3, C4, and C0 mark drones. And the response from the CAA, from Jonathan Nicholson, was the government, and in brackets Department for Transport, will be appointing a standard body to oversee the class marks and everything around them. They haven't yet announced who it will be, but it won't be the CAA, as you would expect. Manufacturers declare their products meet the standard, and that will be overseen by that standards body. In reality, the idea is that users can simply look at the drone and see the mark, which of course is 100% correct. However, slightly different from the impression I felt that was given in the interview, from the point of view that actually now it's down to DJI, because DJI, yes, they can make the drone up to that level, but and to those specifications, but at the moment they cannot put a C1, C2 UK logo on there because the standards body has not been announced yet.
The key question for me now is, at what process or what point of the process are the UK government at appointing the standards body and all that malarkey?
Yes. Which is the next thing that I am now on digging with the Department for Transport, etc. as well. So we will be coming back to you guys on this, but certainly do not expect the DJI Mavic 3 to be a UK. I mean, the EASA, is a different kettle of fish. And again, I don't think they've got a standard released for it either. They've got the guidelines published, but I don't think they've actually got a standards body either. But the UK at this time, which of course is well beyond when the Mavic 3 would have been gone through those tests, does not have a standards body for the UK C labels. So therefore the Mavic 3 will not have a C label. There's 100%. And just very quickly, thank you very much, Clocks, for your £1 super chat. Really appreciate it. You're also a channel member and one of our Discord channel members as well, actually. So thank you, sir. I really appreciate your support. Digital Samurai, £10 super chat. Thank you, sir. Thanks for digging this information out. It's important for all drone flyers getting into the hobby or business. Exactly. And that's very much what we want to try and do here, is get the real information out there. So yeah. So
given Stephen was able to do a Scotland tourism advert earlier, I would now say if the Mavic 3 is European approved as a C label, then everyone should come to Northern Ireland and then just step a foot across the border and you can fly in the Republic of Ireland and then,